about the summer. We'll take a look at a couple of skip shots before and after the sound and light, and then listen to some of his comments.
Right. Coming back towards the tree. All right. How'd you hit that?
Fine.
How did it feel?
It wasn't. It just felt loose. It was way at the top.
How do you feel?
Huh?
How do you feel?
Well, relaxed. Right at the end, something woke me up. I mean, just got very strong.
Very strong.
I thought I kept hearing. Well, I heard birds. There are birds in there?
Yeah, there are birds here, though.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, that's real birds.
In here?
There's no birds in here.
I'm hearing birds chirping on my right side. And I thought I'd hear a golf ball once in a while. Because I heard a real solid hit.
Yeah,
and all of a sudden, in my mind, I saw myself going back to the videotape we did before. So that just that triggered something in my mind. And all of a sudden I saw myself hitting. And all of a sudden I saw myself taking a longer swing because I heard the contact of my ball out of my ear. And I thought maybe that was in the tape. That was interesting.
Yeah, Skip has a tendency to get pretty deep on the sound and light.
That's it. That was perfect. Whoa! Whoa! That just felt great.
Yeah?
Did you see that one?
No, I missed that.
Maybe a quarter-inch right of center. Okay. Go left. Pull a little left. Dead center.
How'd that feel?
Dead center of the tape.
As a 17 handicap, he came up to the 9th hole, 1 under par.
For the first 8 holes, I parred the first hole and then I got up and down on the next 7 holes the way you taught me. I had 7 one-putt greens in a row. I was 2 birdies, a bogey, all pars at the 9th tee. On the 9th hole I decided to go for a hole-in-one.
Hey, the confidence was...
The confidence was there.
And, what'd you shoot in the Calcutta?
85 the second day. My best score by 5 strokes. Okay!
Yeah, see, now we know why he shot that 85.
Okay, look at that. Look at that. Okay!
Just like on the tape, right?
That's right.
Holy cows, are you hitting that thing long?
That's it. That's it.
Oh,
Still going. Say goodbye.